Install a video surveillance camera in a home office. Crime is everywhere nowadays. It is so rampant that even a home or small office can be infiltrated by either external or internal criminal elements. This is why protecting your home office by installing video surveillance equipment becomes crucial. It can prevent potential crimes from happening. In the event that a crime does happen in your office, the eye in the sky that you install can be that little piece of critical evidence that can help you catch the culprit and get to the bottom of the crime. That said, if you are thinking about making your home office a little safer, then here are some tips on installing a video surveillance camera. Figure out what video surveillance camera is right for you. There are many types of video surveillance equipment out in the market. Each type will have certain advantages and disadvantages. For instance, the traditional CCTV units are analog-based, which requires you to have the camera connected via wires to the recording unit, is probably the most dependable system you can use, but will not have a lot of the features that the new digital ones have. Basically, the choice you will be making is whether the CCTV you will be using is digital or analog. In addition, you can make the choice if you want to access it via the internet by way of an IP-based video camera. Also, you can choose whether you want the camera connected to a computer or DVR unit through hard cables or via wireless connections. In any case, figure out what suits you within your budget. Plan it out. Once you have the video surveillance equipment in hand, inspect the office and figure out the best position for the camera. It will really depend on the type of camera you have. Some cameras, the standard ones, will allow you to see a fixed 180-degree vision. Other cameras, the more expensive kinds, will allow you a 360-degree vision or will allow you to manipulate and direct the vision of the camera. Whatever is the case, figure out the best angle where the whole room will be monitored. Find a spot that will have no dead angles in the room. Of course, take into consideration the best height for the camera as well. Normally, the higher the camera is, the wider the angle of vision. Mount the camera. After deciding where to locate and mount the camera, it is time to actually install the camera. To do this, you will need to first read the manual that comes with your surveillance unit. It will have specific instructions to follow. However, the general installation process will involve mounting the bracket of the camera on the wall. To do this, simply drill the holes on the wall for the bracket holes, insert the studs, and secure the bracket on the wall by securing them with the screws or bolts onto the studs installed. Once that is done, you can now install the camera onto the bracket. When that is complete, the rest of the process will require you to merely connect and run the wires from the camera to the recording unit and to the electrical socket, and you are done with the physical work. The last phase of the installation will basically involve turning on the camera, configuring the recording unit, and testing out the view. Again, make sure to refer to the instructions that came with the unit.